EA Sports. It's in the game.
Aku suka nonton Son Horek. Halo Gus, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh Gus. Selamat sore Gus. Gelo nih udah update ya kan. Season baru juga, event baru juga ya kan. Langsung saja guys, kita klaim dulu ya guys. Ini aduh, ini dapat berapa banyak ini pas sama liga apa nih? Oke, 360. Beh, 9.000 nggak tuh? Beh, 30. Kok 30 doang ya? Dibagi rata berarti ya? Wih, what bro? Siapa namanya, lupa gua. Mantan pemain Liverpool. Dapat serpihan juga. Oke, 2 kali rival divisi. Asis, oke. Event baru ya guys ya, gua nggak review udah gua. Review di sini aja ya. Hai, halo Gang Bis. Hamsik guys. One match. Apalah kakinya 2/5 bro. Ini apa ya, peningkatan level pas. Oke bro. $104. Masih level 1 bro. Pertukaran kita lihat exchange ya. Apakah ini ditambahin? You invite bro. Malah gue yang invite. Sales. Pertukaran cuma TVS doang ya. Oh, ini ada kit nih. 104. Ini tuh ada ininya juga ya. Oh, ada company-nya juga bro. What the hell man. Pemain kapten man. Nah, ini kapten nih baru nih. Oke, Unger. Durasi berapa? Durasi 1 bulan kurang lebih ya. Ini loh. Let go. Lego. Buset. Ini the best lah. Ada tanda itunya guys. Invite me, bro. Gajian, mana gajiannya, bro? Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god. Ya, bro. Wait, bro. Uh, 105 anjir. Oh, enggak animasi ya? Let's go, bro. Friendly match, bro. One match, yeah.
Hello, it's great to be with you, and I don't think anybody is going to complain, especially about the
Ooh,
weather.
good.
I'm your match commentator, Derek
Vinicius.
Ray, at the microphone, and sitting alongside me is the former Arsenal, West Ham, and Coventry midfield player Stuart Robson. And no question, this ought to be a game that gets pulses racing. It's Al Nassr facing Barcelona.
Well, both teams know they need to start the game well here, try to dominate the midfield area and get their creative players on the ball. This should be an interesting game, I think.
Nice.
Oh, and the flag goes up.
Well, he needs to be more aware there. He didn't work hard enough to stay onside.
JJ Okocha. Good movement. With that, the attack fizzles out. Julie. It is a decent looking attack here.
Nice, bro.
This time, applying the finishing touch. Just what the doctor ordered.
Number 8.
Vinicius Junior.
Aduh, leg.
Now with Kimmich. Marcus Rashford. Hazard. Players waiting in the centre. It's hard to do it inside your own penalty area. Kimmich. Oh, big chance. Well, there is the opening goal.
Yes.
The pressure finally turning, and they get the
And more.
Yaya Toure.
Good job.
Back underway. 1-0 as is. Park Ji-sung. Ludovic Giuli. And on to Ginola.
Wait, shit. What the hell, man?
Possession goes the way of Barcelona. Well,
Ooh.
you might say taking everyone by surprise. He didn't miss by much.
Well, this is all about his technique. The ball seems to gather pace the closer it gets to goal. That's a really good effort.
Okocha. Declan Rice is with Vinicius Junior. Now with Rashford. The challenge that was required.
Aduh.
Seems to be a throw-in.
GGVP.
And the referee has deemed that an additional 4 minutes are in order.
of added time.
Pavel Nedved. High marks for that pass. Chances on. So the whistle then. We're up the halfway stage in this match.
Coming up half time, there will be a display from the police dog display team that train is east of the van.
And away they go again. The pendulum having already swung Barcelona's way. Let's see how the second half pans out. High pressing and good high pressing. Vinicius Junior. Now with Rashford. Park Ji-sung. Julie. David Ginola. Julie. He must finish.
Good,
Can they put
very
it
good.
away? It's opened up for him.
Good.
A little too close to the
What the
keeper
hell,
in the end.
man? Casillas, man.
We have 30 minutes to go. Really getting stuck in. Good work from Barca to make sure possession changed hands. Vinicius Junior.
Nggak kena lagi.
Okocha. Now with Rashford. And now here's Eden Hazard.
Aduh, ayo lagi bro.
Now with Julie. Taken away. He won the ball. Joshua Kimmich. Teammates available. Vinicius Junior. Now with Rashford. And with that, the attack fizzles out. Vinicius Junior.
Eish, like
Nevian. Toure.
hai
A really
kebaca.
single-minded piece of defending to make sure nothing untoward happened. Marcus Rashford. Barcelona have possession again. And that is that.
Nice, bro. Very good, bro.
And it's a victory for
Nice.
Barcelona. What did you make of their
To
performance?
be honest,
Well,
taking
good.
as
It's
it
a
can
tough
be
win,
really
really.
a 15
Deserved
minutes
their
delay.
victory because
Some
they
of the
dominated
six
every
supporters
aspect of the
will
game.
have access
It's a
to the
really good result
investigation.
from here today.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Nice bro, thank you bro, thank you. One more, waduh. Ya, one more ya. Dikeluarin yang bagus-bagusnya nih guys.
Hello and welcome, and I can tell you it
Yeah,
was a
yeah,
dry
yeah.
walk to the gantry today. No rain in sight. I'm Derek Ray, ready to bring you match commentary, and alongside me
Malah
is Stuart
anjay
Robson.
tadi bro.
And no question, this ought to be a game that gets pulses racing. It's Al Nassr versus Barcelona.
Well, thanks, Derek. The best coach I played under would always tell us before kick-off, earn the right to play. If you can win your individual battles, outrun your opponent, eventually you'll get the space to show your ability. I'm sure that's being echoed by the coaches here today.
Shit.
Joshua Kimmich. Now with Rashford. He's in with a chance. Opportunity still there. Oh, fine stop. Can he put them in
Nice.
front? And it goes! At the second time of asking. And the
Nah,
keeper
gua.
feels
Ada
unable
sinyalnya,
to
bro.
try.
What the hell man, what the
Well, here
hell.
it is again. I feel a bit sorry for the goalkeeper. He makes a good save to start with, but where are his defenders following in? Instead, it's the attacker who's alert. He gets to the ball first, and it's a good finish.
Virgil van Dijk. And that's great work to make sure it didn't go over the line. It's regaining possession.
Nice,
By the
nggak kena
teammate,
lagi.
unfortunately. And a throw in to come. Hazard. Yaya Toure is with Vinicius Junior. Rashford. In with a
Lagi di
chance.
pali.
Still possibilities. In the end, no damage done. Ludovic Giuli. Now with Ginona. Oh, what an opportunity. And a goal here.
Yeah, very good, well. Well.
Barcelona.
Very good, very well.
So back underway. One goal apiece here. Vinicius Junior. Nevian. Barcelona now in potentially a dangerous position.
Corner. Yeah.
Yeah, got it all wrong. Trying to pass it into the corner, opened up his body, but didn't make the right sort of contact.
Yaya Toure. Rice with it.
Pasti masa udah capek banget cok dia cok.
stoppage time, say the officials.
time.
Capdevila. And that's a
Wih.
forward stop.
Masa udah capek dia. Ini kenapa kayak lemot gitu ini enggak?
Coming up half time, don't forget, we'll be having the Lucky Raffle, and also don't forget the Lucky Program.
Underway then in the second half. The two teams matching each other just about stride for stride.
Offset laut lagi.
Vinicius Junior. David Ginola. Not too fussy in clearing his lines. And the goal kick is the outcome. Capdevila couldn't hang on to it. Nevien. And on to Ginola. Julie. And he might be through
Yes.
here. And the referee's verdict is penalty kick.
Penalty kick.
Here it is now, the substitution. This to get real chance.
Yes. Very good.
It's converted. A
Van
goal
Persie.
is
Nice, nice.
Exhale.
99.
So the ball is rolling again. 2-1 the score. What's going to happen next? Park
Aduh, kena lagi.
giving the ball to the opposition that time. Barcelona free kick. It'll be here. Hit it. Go. Well, I think
Eish.
he'll be a bit cross with himself based on that free kick. Not the Giuni.
Aduh, ngelek lagi. Kambing. Pas buat ngelek.
Just 15 minutes remaining. And a throw-in it's going to be. Eden Hazard is with Vinicius Junior.
Ngelek banget, Cuk.
Toure. Declan Rice. Vinicius Junior. No panic, just passing. I'm not sure they deserve it. And a foul in the opinion of the referee. Now, what can they do from this free kick situation? Time for a change then. Well, last line of defence, literally. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. Vinicius Junior. It should be. Well, you get the feeling he really wants his second goal of the game, don't you?
Official has indicated there will be a minimum of 5 minutes of
That
added
was a
time.
decent chance to get his second of the game.
JJ Okocha. Well, still pushing. And that is that.
Nice, bro.
Sort of set.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you.
Barcelona. What did you think of that performance?
15-minute delay at the end of the game.
Chances of both men. I feel they were a better team and they deserved their victory.
Yeah, bro. Thank you, bro. No, 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 no. No, bro. Sorry, bro. Sorry. Oke, last.
Hello and welcome, and I can tell you it was a dry walk to the gantry today. No rain in sight. My name is Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me in the commentary position is the former Arsenal and West Ham midfield player Stuart Robson. And we can't wait for this one to start with justifiable cause. It's Al Nassr versus Barcelona.
Well, Derek, we're looking forward to this game. You can't help but notice there are some great matchups all over the pitch, particularly in those central areas. Whichever team wins more of those battles will win the game.
Ish,
A
ngelek.
genuine chance. It's still alive. And he clears the danger. Julie. Nevien. An encouraging move from Barca. And in with a real chance. Oh, incredible save. And he snuffed out
Ay,
the
ngelek, bro.
danger. Vinicius Junior. Hazard. Hazard. It's a risk there, but he's won the ball. Hazard with others to team up with.
Ngelek, anjir.
No danger now. Kimmich. Toure. Eden Hazard. He's in control.
Alah,
Eden
nggak kayak
Hazard.
gini.
And let's give credit to the defending. Nevien.
Ini pencet lagi.
And the keeper reacting just as we would have expected. Hazard. Rashford. David Ginola. He's broken free. Oh, yes! You cannot strike them any better than that.
Gila, padahal nggak ngelek gua.
Number 9.
So the whistle then, we're at the halfway stage in this match.
Coming up at half time, there will be a display from the police dog display team sustained deceased for the van.
And the referee sounding the second half into action. It's Barcelona with the lead here. Toure. Now with Park. And nothing comes of this attack. Marcus Rashford. And Barca have it back. The referee blows the whistle. It is a free kick. Kimmich. Toure! Oh, marvellous save. Great goalkeeping. The clearance by Park. 30 minutes to go then. And that's a goal goes. Throw-in coming up here. Eden Hazard. And Rashford. He read the situation defensive at his job. Rijkaard. And the upshot of that is offside.
Well, he needed to look elsewhere because the flag was always going to go up.
Schlotterbeck. JJ Okocha. They are a goal down, but perhaps a chance to create something from this corner. Any goalkeeper would accept corner kick deliveries like that every day.
Hei,
And they'll get ready for the throw-in. And they're making a
sambut dia.
change.
Well, I think the fans are doing everything they can to get their team back into this. But can they find that moment of inspiration and get an equaliser?
Well, there's still scope for late drama here. 5 minutes left and just one goal between the sides. And he has options available. Can he finish them off?
The referee has indicated there will be a minimum of 5 minutes of added time.
Decides to shoot. And that is that. The final whistle is sounded, and it's a victory for Barcelona. What did you make of that performance?
It was a tight game. Both sides had their moments and chances, but overall they just about shaded it. A well-earned victory.
Oh, Manchester. Atar. Kobel. Aish. Very good, very well. Light off, mati lampu kah dia? Kena dong. Yes. Kenapa badan gitu? Sudah sekian. Aduh, lepas le. Ah, Aduh, kalah deh ini. Nice, good. Ronaldo, PSG. Oh my god, Santa Cruz. Wih, kena lu. Aduh, nggak kena lagi. Salto, boom. Kiper yang susah buat satu VSI ya. VSI itu kiper yang susah, Van der Sar and De Gea. Center back terbaik di VSI Van Dijk. Ini menurut gua ya, Van Dijk sama satu lagi yang terbaik. Siapa yang gue lewatin susah ya? Ibrahimovic loh. Aduh, kena pala bro. Lepas lagi. Nice. CB yang susah gue lewatin di sini. Satu lagi siapa ya? Mungkin dari icon kali ya. Yang pertama itu Van Dijk susah tuh gue liatin waktu itu. Ini nggak masuk lagi. Good. Kalau kiper udah jelas Van der Sar sih. De Gea juga De Gea. CB satu lagi siapa ya? Van Dijk Maldini juga oke. Kompeni juga oke. Kompeni blank oke. Blank 111. Ini blank yang ini nih. Review mas. Aduh, kalau review gue nggak bisa bang. Oh my god, udah saya add ya, coba ya, nanti gue coba lah. Gue masalahnya nggak tahu pemain bagus bro, kayak Kiplis juga udah tahu gue. Aduh, ngebalik badan lagi dia. Beda satu bejir. Rankingnya mana ya? Gue lupa ngeliat rankingnya di mana bro. Anjir, udah juara FCA kah? Belum ya? Ini masih yang kemarin ya. Waduh, ini mah di review apaan nih? Iri. Gila, dia bisa 115 gitu bang. Itu udah bagus itu, gila. Apalah punya gua. Anjir, dapat Zidane dia nih, nuker kah dia? Masa yang lebih bagus gue saranin sih? Snyder sih, ganti sih kalau kata gue mah. Donnarumma juga udah oke ini kiper. Vidic. Oh, Maldini yang baru berapa dah? Press jam. Marcelo, gila. Marcelo. Pakailah Marcelo, itu bagus itu. Ganti Nuno nih Marcelo. Gue baru berapa token inian gue ya? Gue nggak kuat, gue pengen ambil Marcelo, nggak kuat gue ini. Marcelo ini pakai aja itu bang. No bro, no. Gue paling kuat di 109 sih kalau gue ngambil inian di event grassroots. Gue pengen ngambil ini nih Hakan. Kemarin kok kata Bang Leap gue disuruh ngambilnya Hakan gue. Marcelo pakai aja gelo. Tim review. Udah sih ganti LB tuh. Cannavaro, Vidic. Cannavaro ganti sih. Di event baru apa ya? Gue belum ngeliat event baru bro. Maldini sih kalau saran gue mah Maldini tuh dia terbest banget. Cuma 4.000 anjir. Cemana pula nih Mana sih gue nggak? Oh di galeri ya. Apa kapten terhebat? Ini saran gue pakai itu Marcelo tuh. Terus CB nya ganti nanti. Van Dijk bagus sih, CB Van Dijk yang saat ini nih. Yang kayak gua nih. 114. Wait bro. Tapi kagak naik OVR-nya ya. Bentar. Wait. Katanya 4.000. Mana ada 4.000? Oh iya ini ya. Ciruf kok nggak salah di nerf dia. Aduh Maldini anjir, menggoda banget ini. Kesadaran loh. Fisik. Bisa nggak ya kira-kira ngejar 4.000 nih, ngambil Maldini gua. Juara FC dia. 150 kecepatan. Lah itu bisa bahasa Indo anjir. Bahasa Inggris juga kagak bisa bahasa Inggris. Nggak bisa bahasa Inggris. Anjir dapat Vicario dia. Bagus ya ini, gue nggak tahu dah. Ih, Zambrotta udah ngambil dia. Bellingham sih, Bellingham ganti. Bellingham ganti Hakan aja kalau mau. Hakan yang grassroots. $172. Pedro. Pedro bagus ini, nice. Evo emas paling, Evo orange. Evo in orange itu Pedro. Ini back udah bagus ini, Burn. Evo in aja sih, tinggal Evo in dong ini. Paling Bellingham yang ganti. Nice team. Gue belum selesaikan misinya loh. Kurang ajar. Ini misinya gimana deh guys? Foran. Ya Bellingham switch Hakan. Indis nih. Nah ini nih Hakan ganti Bellingham ya bro. 0 Makan switch Bellingham. Ya udahlah, gue udahan dulu dah ya, udah sejam kali ya. 47 menit sih, belum sejam. Dia dapetin Jong new event De Jong. Yes, good De Jong. Ya udah kalau gitu ambil pakai aja De Jong itu. Use De Jong, switch Bellingham, ganti Bellingham. De Jong in, Bellingham out. Wah, AFK kah dia nih? AFK dia, guys. Aduh. Tiang. Bang, tanding boleh. Boleh. Tapi kayaknya ngelek deh tadi, ngelek ya. Lawan siapa tadi tuh? Lawan Genghis. Tadi lawan Genggisnya 3 game ngelek gua. Di game ketiga sih ngeleknya sih. Emang iya? Enggak, tadi lawan Genghis. Gua udah B1 lawan Genghis tadi. Ngelek gua di game ketiganya ngelek. Coba aja yuk kalau ini. Add aja dulu. Tadi gue lawan Genghis. Mana tadi Genghis? Ini dia. Boleh. Let's go, tanding kita. Masa nggak kedengeran bro, gue udah volume tinggi nih. Add aja, add. Kobel kah? Bukan deh. Burki. Mana Burki? Oh, ini dia nih. Anjay, 132. Fisik lempar jauh. Mana? Johan 77. Yang mana, Cok? Yang mana, Bang? Yang mana, Bang? Banyak kali. Gue ganti nama kali ya. Nama gue kayak nggak bisa dicari dah, susah dah. Apa sih? Mana Johan. Yang mana ini? Dia udah nge-add kah? Belum, Le. Iya, punya lu aja. Nah, yang mana nih? Yang mana? Oh, 177, Bre. Dia nembusnya 77 loh yang tadi. Yang mana? Yang ini kah? Real Madrid ya berarti ini kan. Aduh, kenapa keluar lagi? Sorry. Madrid ini ya. Let's go. Mana invite lah, invite. Ini ya.
Hello, it's great to be with you, and I don't think anybody is going to complain, especially about the weather. I'm Derek Ray, positioned here on the commentary gantry, and alongside me at the microphone is Stuart Robson. And with the game just moments away now, this really ought to be a superb watch. It's Real Madrid facing Barcelona.
Well, as is always the case, both teams look to control the centre of the pitch. Whichever can do that will dominate possession and probably the game. This is going to be key, I think, today.
Park Ji-sung taking it away. The defenders know you can't really allow space like that.
Yes. Penalti.
Says penalty.
Kiri, Bang. Ah, udah gue bilang kiri, Bang. Kiri, Bang. Udah gue bilang, Bang.
So the ball rolling again with the scoreline standing at 1-0.
Oh, main long ball dia kayak gua dia. Shoot.
Well, no stopping him. That's effective pressure high up the pitch.
Pelanggaran, aduh pelanggaran dia, pelanggaran gua. Tendangan maut. Menetap di pula.
Attacking possibilities for Real. Sound piece of goalkeeping. Juli. David Ginola.
Shit. Out nggak sih bro?
The pass not quite accurate enough. And the throw in then. Nepian. Now with Ginola.
Lari kambing nyebur nih.
2 minutes of added time.
Habis.
For the respective managers to address their charges. It is
Loh,
half
nendang
time
tadi dia.
here.
Kok bunyi sih tadi?
And the referee sounding the second half into action. It's Barcelona with the lead here.
Mas bang, penalti lagi bang. Set. Aduh, balik badan lagi dia kambing.
The keeper to beat. Couldn't take the opportunity.
Tapi pula. Nice.
Nepian. Nepian.
Gol.
Nepian.
Anjay.
Really wasn't a great effort, was it? Park. David Ginola. It is a decent looking attack here. Must be. It could be up for grabs. Julie. Now with Julie. Julie.
Aduh.
By the keeper. Impressive.
What the hell man?
Oh, well, Madrid are going to make a double
Aduh, kaki
substitution.
kiri lagi. Yup.
Cleared away comprehensively. Hazard went in strongly, decisively. Well, doesn't have to do it on his own. Giuni! And it's in!
Very good, very well. Well.
Goes for
They
FC
are the team in
Barcelona.
charge.
Number 42.
So underway again, and a 2-0 advantage here.
Tutup. Dia pengen long ball.
Can he take them on and beat them?
Aduh, kena lagi bro.
Hazard. Well, really, you've got to say Barcelona in cruise control here, Stuart. Your reflections on their
110 berarti
performance.
tambah 5 itu 115 ya.
Makes the difference between the two teams.
Yang di gua
Most of the
113
game, they've
dan
dictated the
berapa?
fight, and they've created some
Aduh,
really
kan,
good
ya,
chances.
ngeliat kan gua.
I think it's been an excellent performance.
Banyak bro kambing.
And the ball back with Barcelona here.
The referee has
In terms of
indicated
added
there will be
time,
a minimum of 1 minute.
Apalah ini ngelak bro.
So it's sounded, and it's a victory for Barcelona.
Thank you,
What
bro.
did
Thank
make
you,
of
bro.
their performance?
Well, Derek, it was a comfortable win in the end. Fully deserved their victory because they dominated every aspect of the game. It was a really good result for them here today.
Makasih bro, thank you juga bro ya. Ngelak gua udahan kayaknya nih. Alah, oke aja itu bang. Oke aja aku bang. Ya udahlah, terima kasih banyak guys yang udah nonton ya guys ya. Absen tadi ada geng bis, terima kasih banyak, thank you. Ada MGF 17 Sanzi, thank you. Ada Zero Tension, thank you bro. Dan juga ada Kemet CY, thank you ya udah mampir ya guys ya. Terima kasih banyak yang udah mampir guys. Sampai jumpa di streamingan selanjutnya. Semoga kalian panjang umur, sehat selalu, bahagia selalu, dan banyak rezekinya. Amin ya robbal alamin. Mohon maaf tadi selama streaming ada salah-salah kata guys ya. Thank you guys, bye bye. Thank you guys, bye bye.